Today I'm going to wash my car. As you can see, it's dirty inside as well, and it's kind of, you can see here, very dusty from the outside. Yeah, and the first thing I need to do on every car wash is take out the floor mats that I got from Jowua. As you can see, it's not the stock mat, but as you can see, it's very easy to clean. So today I'm gonna show how easy it is to clean these floor mats. This one is from the back side. As you can see, compared to the front too, the rear one is quite clean, and we'll also see how it has helped keep the internal carpet of the car clean. So as you can see, it has protected most of the carpet. Of course, there's dirt here which can be vacuumed, but yeah, I just wanted to show how good these floor mats from Jowua are. So I've got a spray on hose, the water hose. I can basically just spray on this. Yeah, and just like that, let the dirty water drain. And once that is done, I can just put this to dry somewhere else, somewhere in the sun or something. And yeah, you can see, just after a spray of water, it's already looking, I won't say brand new, but it's already kind of restored. So I'll keep them to dry, and we'll see after I am done with the car wash. Okay, I'm done washing the car, and as you can see, the floor mat as well, well, I didn't wash it like thoroughly using a rag or something. It was just a spray of hose, but still, you can see that it's not really bad. Now I can use the sponge from the car wash that I just did, to basically just wipe all the dust and everything. And then, of course, I'm not gonna use this again to wash the car, so I'm gonna wash the sponge as well. But I can basically just use this one to kind of wipe it here. Yeah, and now I just need another microfiber towel to dry this up. Yeah, so I'm using this rag kind of thing, which is kind of dry, but it's not a clean rag because yeah, it's a floor mat obviously, so you don't want to make your clean rags dirty. This is how we can keep the floor mat clean and free of dirt and everything. I'm gonna wipe this one as well. And also, another cool thing about this floor mat is that you can place an umbrella over here. Same with the the front driver and passenger side. And here you can put something. You can get it from Jowua, which is this tissue holder. So I've already made a video on this one. It's a MagSafe tissue holder. It's got some magnetic thing here. Yeah, so basically it's a tissue holder which you can put on the on the rear side of the rear of the car. Good for rear passengers. Now I'll basically just go and just put this thing here. Yeah, and yeah, I couldn't vacuum the car because I couldn't find the vacuum cleaner. because I couldn't find the vacuum cleaner, but once I do, yeah, I will. So yeah, that's it for today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.